My name is Jan Vallaro from NIDAP. Today I want to guide you through the installation procedure of our new SmartFlow milk meter. Before I start, I want to mention that you can find the manual of the SmartFlow on the Livestock Management web portal. First of all, please check the order confirmation if all parts are available and are on site. Also, I want to make a note that you check the last page of the order confirmation where you find the serial number that's unique for each installation, so you need it on this installation. Check. Yeah. So this I don't need for now. We're going to focus today on the SmartFlow. In this box you find the float of the milk meter. We leave this in the box, and at the end of the installation we can mount it into the SmartFlow, so we leave this one apart. In this box you will find the actual milk meter. In here we have a drill template and another small box. Under the drill template you will find the mounting bracket. I will start unboxing the milk meter. This is the actual device. Here. You can get out of the box the mounting bracket like this. So what we need for the further installation is a level, we need a cordless drill, and we need some mounting screws. In this case I use just small screws because I'm mounting on a wooden plate and I don't need big screws. In the milk parlor we advise plugs with maximum size of M6 stainless steel screws to mount the device. For today I'm going to take the drill template and I put it on here. This template is the real size, so you mount the screw, hold the screw here, and you can screw it in here, and then you can drill the other holes in the correct way. So first of all, I'll make this place ready. In the mounting bracket there are multiple holes, 3 pieces. The one on the left you start. This one is my fixed place. So I screw this one here. Like this. I get my level. It's designed that this place is always steady, and if I level it out you can see these holes on this side and this side are long holes that you can move the meter even if you have the hole not 100% correct. So you can level it on this way that you can move it a little bit around with the log holes, that you get it always steady and level. So now on top of the mounting bracket there's also a screw that you can level it on the vertical way. Then we take the milk meter like this, just simply push it into the bracket by pressing it backwards, and you click it on the top and it's steady. For now we are so far that this is mounted. On here, on this point of the milk meter, we have to connect a vacuum line. The vacuum line is on vacuum during cleaning. Now is the point that we're going to unpack the float. We get it out of the box. As you can see, on top of the float there's a number. That's the float number. So what you do is you take a paper, you mount milk place numbers, also you write down the float numbers. In an order, normally it should be that the numbers are continuously rising, so that you can mount the lowest number to the lowest milk place number and the highest number to the highest milk place. It's always easy for you with the configuration behind the PC that you know that the lowest number is in the lowest milk place and the highest number is in the highest milk place. Now we're going to open up the milk meter by just simply clicking the brackets. You get the top off. You can do the inside out of it. Now we have to put the float in here. I will unmount the meter for showing. As you can see, there's just one way because the float has a slide hole in here. There's a slide. Just one way that it can put in. Now we close the meter again, pulling the cap. There's an arrow on this cap. This arrow should always be facing with the milk flow. Then you click it on again and you can click it on its mount. So now we have installed mechanically the SmartFlow. Now just we have to configure it into the software and the computer.